So here's a quick update on the airbag situation in the Crown Victoria. This is the dummy plug for the airbag that I took out of the leather replacement passenger seat. And this clips into the two holes up in the metal part of the seat, and the airbag cable connects to it. In the donor car, which is a 2003 with no side impact airbags in the seat. My car is a 2009 and it had side impact airbags in the seat. And the only thing I could think of to do before was to pull the airbags out of the original seats, throw them in the back of the car, and plug the cable in so the airbag light wouldn't come on. A little research on the interweb revealed that a 2.2 ohm resistor would keep the airbag light from coming on. So when I pulled the dummy plug out, I noticed that there's a 6.8 ohm resistor already in there. And in my piles of resistors that I have for working on guitar amps and stuff, I actually had a few 2.2 ohm resistors. So what I did was I just cut the end off of this dummy plug and soldered in the 2.2 ohm resistor just right in parallel with the 6.8 ohm resistor, so it comes out to like 2 or 2.1 ohms, which is close enough. I already tested the driver's side, left the airbag on the passenger side plugged in, and fired it up, and the airbag light did not come on. So we're going to finish this up, and that'll be our airbag problem solved.